In this video, I'll show you how you can open a Revolut account in the UK. So we need to start by heading over to the App Store on your mobile device. Using the search box, just type in the word Revolut and then press search. Now in this list, you should see the official Revolut mobile finance app. So go ahead and press the download button, and then you'll just need to wait a few moments while this downloads to your device. Once it's downloaded, simply open up the application, click on create account, enter your telephone number and then press create account. Now it's important that you select a valid phone number as you're going to receive a verification code. Then we can click on confirm, enter the 6-digit code that will have now been sent to you via text message, select whether you want to receive push notifications, select sign up securely, and then enter your email address that you want to be associated with your account. Select continue, and now enter a 6-digit code that you'll use to log into the application. Decide whether you want to enable Face ID. For now, I'm just going to select Not Now. Now enter your first and last name as it's displayed on your identification. Select your date of birth and press Continue. Search for your postcode and enter your full address. And then we can just press Skip. If you're a citizen of the United Kingdom, press yes. And now you'll need to verify your identity using an official document. So you can select here either a driving license or a passport. So make sure you have your document to hand, and then you can use the camera app on your phone to scan this document. You'll then also need to verify your identity by taking a quick photo. Then select the reason why you want to open a Revolut account. I'm just going to select transfers and press continue. Then you can set yourself a Revolut username. Now this is the tag that you will use for other people to pay you. Decide whether you want to allow your friends to find you on Revolut via your contacts. Then press continue. Select whether you want to sign up for the premium account or just a standard free account. I'm actually going to press not now in the top right hand side. Select whether you want a physical card sent to your address, or alternatively you can just select virtual card to set up things like Apple Pay. Now finally, from this window you'll be able to add money to your Revolut account. You don't have to do this now. You can select 0 from the amount and then just press continue. Once you've gone through all of the steps, if you selected virtual card, your card will now be ready to add to the Apple Wallet. So you can either decide to add that now or press not now. And congratulations, as you've now set up your Revolut account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.